Steph Curry on the bench looking like Lee Ellis sneaking a banana bite in there.
Smart man. He's not going to cramp up.
Lee does this every commercial break here on the
era, Bob, and the opportunities weren't really, I don't know, no, I'll just say no. I wanted to get into sales and got into it with the company, and it was a different era. If I'd known the money was going to change like it is, because I actually did some scouting for Philadelphia in my last team. And, you know, if you're a scout, eventually become an assistant coach. And
Spurs, he scored 42. And a 40-point effort tonight. Lakers are going to go to 18-0, and he scores 30 or more.
Yeah, well, you know, and it's true at that stage of his career where he really doesn't have to score like that until necessary, because you have the likes of
one on the board. Kid Gilchrist, never been a big scorer in the league. And we'll get a whistle.
Well, the Lakers just knocked it out of bounds. Jonathan Williams trying to avoid jumping on a teammate's back, slapped the ball, and it went right out of bounds. As Rondo's trying to save it, and he reaches in and says, "Can you?"
A little.
Always knew it would be 4 to 6 weeks for him to return. Everybody just looked at the calendar and circled opening night. But Russ has been progressing through his rehab process. There have been no setbacks at this point.
That he underwent surgery on, and his status will be reevaluated in December. Now, Robertson, not a guy who scored.
Ships at sea. They're watching around the world in Iraq, Germany, Italy, Southwest Asia, South Korea, and Japan. We welcome you. And one thing we can promise you is that you will see quite a bit.
Kyle says, "Hey, look out, cameraman." Did he order pizza while he was down there?
He thought about it. No, he went ahead and ate it. All right, attaboy.
Got Lillard out there starting this third quarter as well.
Green passed on the shot and fed Embiid. The footwork of Embiid is what's so impressive to me. As we watch Steph and Jordan, as we watch the coach, it's not, man, you can't find the coach for eating on the bench. It's his team. That one up. It's his team. Okay. I'm just making sure. I think I remember Kevin McHale getting in trouble for that, eating a hot dog behind a towel back in the day.
Is this normal, Chris?
I don't know. It's two things are happening here. We got a foot rub and we've got a burger.
What a life.
Now, don't get me wrong. I like a foot rub and a burger, but yeah, no, it's not normal.
When we jinx a guy, we really get it. Salmon's way off on that shot. Out of bounds to the Magic. Wait for snack time. What do you have? What do you get? A little popcorn. Popcorn. That's going to make him.